Hello guys, welcome to Zaoga Academy. Today I would like to talk about some unique psychology subjects. It's called Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Maybe some of you might have heard of it before. Firstly, I will describe what Neuro-Linguistic Programming is about. Let's call it in short NLP. And the content today will cover the story of NLP model, and three main study ways: deletion, generalization, distortion. NLP started in the early 70s from the collaboration of John Grinder, who was an assistant professor of linguistics at the University of California, Santa Cruz, and Richard Bandler, who was interested in psychotherapy. The initial models of NLP developed into main directions. Firstly, as a process to discover the patterns of excellence in any field. Secondly, as an effective way of thinking and communicating used by outstanding people. These patterns and skills can be used in their own right. So what is neuro-linguistics programming? The word neuro related to neurology, to the ways in which we process information from all five senses through our brain and nervous system. Linguistics relates to the use of language systems, not just words but symbol systems including gestures and postures, to code, organize, and attribute meanings to our internal representations of the world, and to communicate internally and externally. Programming. Last one comes from information processing and computing science, on the premise that the way in which experience is stored, coded, and transformed is similar to how software runs on a PC, by deleting, upgrading, or installing our mental software. So, NLP is a technique that assists in communication by practice using the knowledge between psychology and linguistic actions. In the NLP model, we experience the world through all five senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. You have to stream the vast majority of that data out of your own efficiency and survival. There are three main ways of learning to talk in an NLP model. This is called meta model. The first one, deletion. Deletion, the first way is in which the nervous system deals with a potential overload of information, is to delete some of it. If you didn't do so, you will overload your conscious mind with sensory information. Although a lot of information enters your brain, you only pay conscious attention to some parts of the information and overlook out or cut out of the other bits. Everything that is deleted falls out of your conscious awareness. 2. Generalization. When you generalize, you reduce the amount of information you need to deal with the labeling and slotting it into a category or class. Generalization can be a very useful ability. Scientists, mathematicians, and artists all use the technique. When you are a child, one of the ways to learn and develop your skill is through generalization. You probably generalize the world around you so that you do not have to cope with too much difference. And the last one called distortion. Distortion occurs when you take the information that has come through the sense and draw a conclusion from it. For example, you may give it a particular interpretation, label, or meaning. You may distort it in your mind and remember having heard something different from what it was that they actually said. So this is the end of NLP part 1. So if you like it, press like button and subscribe. And I will see you in next clip and in NLP part 2. Thank you.